Hello VietMaxim family. This beautiful looking chart is the daily chart for Zilliqa, and the data I have is to 7:20 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on April 24th. All I can tell you is I have never seen a chart that formed out as nicely as Zilliqa. Zilliqa is setting up for a major pop in price. Now Zilliqa has been in consolidation for a long time, trading between the range of about 3.5 cents to as high as 6 cents. And then it broke out at this point. The price ran from less than 4 cents all the way to 23 cents. And after that, we have this pullback. Zilliqa, I believe, found bottom at around 10 cents. Because if we base on this Fibonacci retracement, normally after a major run-up in price, we would expect to see a pullback that take the price down to roughly about 50 to as high as 78.6%. And Zilliqa found bottom right at this level, which is 61.8%, because if we draw a line here, that's exactly what happened. And another thing that indicates a very high probability that the price found bottom at 10 cents is if we look at this retracement, it was retracing following this falling wedge. And at this point, the price broke out of the resistance of the falling wedge. And after that, as you can see, the price has been trading very much sideways or oscillate between a low of 10 cents to a high of 13.5 cents. Now, when Zilliqa broke out, the Bollinger Band extended. When the Bollinger Band extended, the width get very wide. This indicates a very high volatility in the price, as you can see by the size of this candle. And when the price get outside of the upper band, this tends to indicate that it's just a matter of time before the price would pull back. And that's what we're seeing here. So right now, Zilliqa is in the consolidation phase because the retracement phase, I believe, is completed. As part of this consolidation phase, the price is being squeezed between a low of 10 cents to a high of 13.5 cents. Another thing to notice is the size of these candles are a lot shorter. This indicates a lower volatility. When the price is being squeezed within this tight range, the Bollinger Band contracts. Now, as you can see how nicely the Bollinger Band contracted. At this point, the width was extremely wide. The band was overstretched, and now the band is getting extremely tight. Indicates a lot of momentum is being built up. So what we're looking at here is very soon, I would say within the next few days or couple of weeks, we're going to see a breakout, either to the upside or there's always that possibility for the price to break to the downside. But I think the possibility for breaking to the downside is a lot lower than breaking to the upside. If Bitcoin crashed, there's no doubt that Zilliqa would break to the downside. If Bitcoin stabilized and stayed the way it is or starting to trend upward, then there's no doubt in my mind that Zilliqa will break out to the upside. And the reason being is this: when we look at this chart, when Zilliqa broke out, we saw this massive buying value. So this is an indication that buyers are jumping in and they are taking position in Zilliqa. When the price retraces, the sell volume is low. So there's not like everybody was dumping it. And now we are entering this accumulation phase. Every time when the price spike up, we see this very nice buying volume. When the price trending down, very low selling volume. On top of that, a key indicator is this golden cross. That is when the 50 days moving average crosses over and lead the 200 day. And as you can see right now, the 50 day, which is this white line, is leading the yellow line, which is the 200 days. And normally when we see this golden cross, this tends to indicate that the price is about to enter a bull run phase. So most likely we are going to see Zilliqa break to the upside. So now the question is, what is the target for this second wave up? The good old crystal ball is indicating to me that this second wave will likely take Zilliqa to anywhere between 30 to as high as 40 cents. And that is roughly about 3x from where the price is trading at right now. For me, Zilliqa is a fantastic project. There is no doubt in my mind within the next 3 to 5 years, Zilliqa should be trading as one of the top 10 coins. So I am continuing to accumulate Zilliqa until the price hit a high of about 14 cents. But anyway, that is Zilliqa. I will go live tomorrow, Monday, April the 25th at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So grab a cold one and join me. That's it. Give me a like if you appreciate this content. And if you like this sort of boring videos, make sure to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications.